I don't remember what I was doing. Um, Console output. Oh, that's what I was working on. Um, so if I edit test, or I could probably actually just run test, right? Or edit test because I think there is a command. I think I can do this. Or maybe there wasn't. Geo. So I think our goal, and it probably won't. Let's see what happens here. I wonder. Okay, so I could do research on. So the line is fine. So I got two options. Uh, those are the only two things. And I'm probably gonna do the first because that seems pretty easy. I'm probably just gonna look something up. It's probably just gonna be like one or two lines of code change, and it'll all make sense. I could leave grid for like most of everything. It's just whenever it's console outputted. Why don't I have my browser open? Chromium and Sun. Ways to place. Would a label be called a widget, or is that like an actual specific thing? So I remember pack. I don't remember place, and I remember grid. Internal, external padding. And are padded to separate them. TK left. I think I could use pack. We'll try that out. It's probably the only option other than specifically like putting the X and Y. Let's see how pack does. understanding how this works. Oh, let's just do that just in case. Right, quit. Python test. Oh. Okay. Hold on. I had to put the entire thing, I think. Or was it? How do you go to? Okay. Um. Dang, I thought that would work. Oh, there's gonna be a way to do it that I don't have to do it like this. So this and this is like that, and then this to this means this dot that. So would it be that dot this? No, my brain. Hold on. Um. So TK dot. Or would it literally just be capital? Just would it just be like that? Oh, I think it worked, but I forgot to do it for both. Oh, it's packed. It's correct. It doesn't kind of know. I can't tell. So can I do both, like top left? Oh, pack twice maybe? Anchor northwest. Oh, my brain. My brain. Okay. Pack works with the box model, aligning widgets along one side of the empty space in a container. Thus, to put something along the top, you need to use side top. If you prefer, in your specific case, to align the widgets at the top, you do side equals top by default. This will center the widget along the top edge. If you also want to label the label aligned to the left, use the anchor options, which takes points of a compass north, south, east, west. Northwest, second. Thus, to place anchor right to the top left, you go northwest. Okay, I think this literally just applies to me. So I can literally not even think about the northwest stuff and literally just copy it. Like this. Wait a second. This might not work because it might anchor both of them, right? If anchor means anchor, right? I think I misunderstood. I'm gonna just do this. And I'm just guessing southwest. There we go. Perfect. Exactly how I wanted it to. Achieved. Solved. Simple. Output works. Cool. That was like 14 minutes. So outputting backwards. Let me just think about it. I don't want to spend another more than 16 minutes on this. Output configure. Am I gonna have to have a label for each line? Unless I try to reverse it. So, 6, 7, 8, 9. Brain. And we're gonna do world. And is that how you do new line? Python test. That kind of worked, but that looks a little bit weird. But I don't think it matters that much. I don't think it matters that much. That only is the background. Uh, which would look better on Windows, or if I manage to figure out a solution on Linux, which will probably never happen, unless the code gets. I saw a complicated solution, but it's a lot of code and I don't understand it. I think. Um, I think it was a solution. Not sure. It didn't really work. Um, so, I'm a little bit worried that just looking at that, the world part makes the hello kind of in the middle. But I guess that's better than. Yeah, it does make the hello in the middle. I think that's as best as it's gonna get, unless I do labels for each line in packing. I think the idea here is that it's gonna have to uh, uh, edit this. It's gonna have to be so we got we don't have to reverse the output actually. This just works actually. I think now that I think about it. Because it doesn't make sense for me to reverse the output. Just like looking at it with the hello world. Like let's say I was given the output blah 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 blah. I was given a paragraph, right? That contained multiple lines. Somehow it just because I'm using just a single label, it just works, I think. Yeah. Like if it's hello blah 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 world blah 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 something else blah 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 blah. It wouldn't make sense to reverse the output. Because it's just being displayed how it should, how it's readable. It'll become unreadable then. Wait, one thing also I didn't test. Ooh, I think I had to. Okay, there is something to do though. Not done yet. Clear. Edit test. Clear edit test to do list. Move. Okay. Stuff like that. It has to move up rather than move down, but not right now. I'm done. I have to go.